I would like to share about business communication paper. Communication is a process where there will be a sender and the receiver. The sender shares an information, ideas, and opinions to the receiver, and the receiver will receive the information, and in turn he gives an feedback to the information which is sent by the sender. We'll see what is effective communication. The receiver has to understand the information in the same way how a sender understood an information without any misinterpretation. The process of communication has got a framework where there will be a sender. He sends an information or messages to the receiver, and in turn the receiver gives feedback to the information which is received by the sender. The process of sending information is called as encoding. The process of receiving the information is called as decoding, and the process of communication ends only when there is a proper feedback from the receiver to the sender. We'll see the advantages of the effective communication which an organization enjoys. First one is team building. When there is a very good communication and rapport between the superior and subordinate, then there is an very good team building in an organization, and they have an innovation in a product is done when there is a very good brainstorming session, and when there is an effective communication between subordinates and the superior, and the superior will accept all the ideas which comes from the subordinates, and he takes and best ideas which in turns leads to an innovation in a product, and obviously the productivity is increased, and the firm will enjoy maximum profit. Next, when there is a very good effective communication or rapport between superior and subordinate, then there is and loyalty is built in an organization. When all the above points are done successfully, then there is no conflict in an organization, which obviously leads to the employee engagement within the organization. Next, we'll see about the barriers of communication. Though there are many barriers in communication, I would like to concentrate these four barriers. First one is semantic, then psychological, physiological, and personal barriers. Semantic barrier, from the name it is understood the barriers which is arise due to the languages. The sender has to be very cautious whether the receiver could understand the particular language which is spoken by him, and it is very easy for his understanding. He should not use any jargons or any kind of bombastic languages which can't be understood by the receiver. Next is physiological barriers. Physiological barriers is nothing but due to distance, lack of time, noise, and external disruption. Distance is, they talk about the geographical distance which they face. The From the sender and the receiver, he has to select a correct kind of media in which the information can be sent. Next is lack of time. Lack of time is nothing but both the sender as well as the receiver should have enormous time to listen to the opinions of each other. Next is noise. Any physical like what to say physical barriers, like physical noise which interrupt the communication, is called as noise. Next is external disruption. External disruption, here even the temperature of the room also plays a major role. When the temperature is too hot or too cold, the sender and receiver, when they feel any kind of suffocation, it is going to be barrier in communication. Then next is a psychological barrier. Here it is underlying with an emotions. Even the tone of the sender and receiver, it plays a major role in the discussion, which should not create obstacles in normal communication. Next is personal barrier. Personal barrier, here the attitude of a person, the lack of confidence of the subordinate. When the superior has got any predisposition about the subordinate or any hesitation, all these things cause a major barriers in the communication. especially the attitude plays a major role in any kind of communication. And shyness due to a new environment or lack of confidence, all these things has to be avoided. Thank you.